Wow. Ang taas pa ng araw, 8:38 in the evening, Saturday, June 28, 2024. Kalabas ko lang. I'm going home. I'm just off of my work. Wow. Yes, still sunset. That's nice. I work 5:30 in the morning until 8:30 in the evening today. But wow, thank you Lord. Nakikita pa ko ng araw, sunset. Wow, it's so nice. Look at that, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Hindi ko makita, may tao ba? Wala. What the heck? Oh. Silaw ng araw, grabe. West ang araw, west doon mag sunset. That's yung tulay na yan, that's I-5 tulay going north to Canada and going south to California or Oregon, something like that.